Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Welcome to Online Active Learning Series. I'm Kamarudin. In this video, I will share several examples of online collaborative engineering class activities using Google Jamboard. As we know that Google Jamboard is an interactive whiteboard for collaborative activities. This video is part of the Online Active Learning series. Please subscribe this channel, like, and share this video. First of all, let me briefly introduce Google Jamboard. Google Jamboard is the digital whiteboard for cloud collaboration developed by Google. Using the Jamboard, we can effectively collaborate with our distant peers in discussing, brainstorming, reviewing our project or assignment for teaching activities. I'm not going to discuss all the Jamboard features here. You can directly refer to any videos about Google Jamboard in YouTube. As you can see here, lots of video explaining, introducing, and discussing about Google Jamboard. How do we start Google Jamboard? We can start Google Jamboard by typing jamboard.google.com. This is an example of my Google Jamboard front page. As you can see here, I have several active jams that I use for my class. If I want to review work done by my student in this jam, I can simply click any of these jams. If I want to design a new jam, then I can simply click the plus button over here. Let's take a look one example for any jam here. This is an example of jam that I use to evaluate chemical engineering final year student plan design project interim report. In this evaluation, my task is to check and verify in details the process flow diagram designed by students. I need to check every single stream or every single equipment one by one. If there is something which is not really clear, I just put some sticky notes in this jam. As you can see, my favorite sticky note color is yellow. Then student will respond using other color of sticky note or respond it orally in our synchronous online meeting. This is another example of Jamboard jam that my student use in presenting their team teaching mind map in my process control class. Students need to submit or create this jam before the class start. During online class, students will have time to review this jam and ask questions using sticky notes or orally during online meeting. Again, the student can respond either replying, they respond in the sticky notes, or respond it orally. This is also another example of my student team teaching mind map for process control class. As we can clearly see here, there are several interactions happen in this jam. This is a weekly discussion meeting for my chemical engineering final year student plan design project team supervision. In this example, students need to produce this jam prior to our meeting. I will take time to review and check their process flow diagram and post some sticky notes if there are something which require explanation or justification from the student. Then student can directly reply it before the online meeting starts. This is an example of problem discussion in my online process control class. We can see that there are interaction and collaboration activities between students in order to try to understand the problem before come up with certain solution. As a summary, Google Jamboard is an excellent online application for collaborative activities in our online class. I presented several examples here that I use in my chemical engineering class. Hopefully that you get some idea in implementing this Jamboard in your online class. My name is Kamarudin. Thank you for watching.